I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you find an unauthorized charge on your PNC account, disputing it can be straightforward. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Access your PNC online banking by entering your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account where the unauthorized charge appears. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Go to the transaction history for the selected account. Look for the specific charge you want to dispute and click on it for more details. Step 3. Initiate the dispute. Find the option to dispute the charge, usually labeled as dispute transaction or report fraud. Click on this option to begin the dispute process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information about the dispute, including the reason for the dispute and any supporting documentation. Be as detailed as possible. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review all the information you've provided and submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your dispute. Remember, it can take some time for PNC to investigate your dispute, so keep an eye on your email for updates. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Good luck!